Hello there. My name is Mwasike Obinna. This demo is on fulfillment of my application to Placid Way Company for a software developer, and of course, I also registered for content writer. Perhaps whichever one works out. Okay, here in my other submissions, I submitted a few other folders and a link that I think might be satisfactory or will be satisfactory for analyzing or assessing my UI UX, that is front end development or designs. Okay, so on this demo, I will not focus more on front end. I will focus on the back end. And based on the information I've been getting from you, I think you're more focused on PHP back end development. So this will be focused on PHP back end. And here I have an application with two folders. The here basically is the back end, and here is the front end. That is my domain back end, my front end user shop. We are using XAMPP. So we're using XAMPP on our application, XML, Apache, MySQL, PHP, and all that. So we're using XAMPP, and you can see the Apache web server is running, and MySQL is also running. And of course, we have 81. I've shown you that already. So 81 means I've configured my Apache to be listening to 81. And my local host for the now, because I'm not online, is also here. That's the name. Okay, that's my server name. All right. Okay, so and that is it. And 336, of course, is here, well encrypted here. Okay, so that's it. All of that. Okay, and so that's why we are connected effectively. All right, to this very service provided to us. Okay, so next is we are currently on user shop down here. That's shop. Our shop is here. So we are supposed to populate these very item all over this place, all over this very page. But as you can see, we're only having one item, meaning that there's only one item in our database. So if we go to database, you can see that our database, we have this very structure of a table. We go to browse to see clearly what I mean. This is our product table. So our product table contains only one item, just one record. Okay, handset mobile 24,000. So I'll tell you more about this later. Okay, so we have understood that this is how here looks. So if you look at our page again, you will see that we have handset mobile 20. Okay, so this is the reason why we only have one item here, because of one record. So we're going to increase that record so that we'll have more items populated on this very page. We would exceed the limit here. We have a limit. So let's quickly go to pagination. I'm just going to show you that. Okay, pagination, we have functions here. So these are functions. So this whole code we have us know how many records are there, and our limit is 10. So once it's 10, the pagination kicks out. You can see it's a nice script that is working together to achieve what we want. So later on, I will increase the record of that database, of that product table, to get this effect activated. All right, so having done this, quickly, we will now go back to our admin, so that from admin, you will, as the admin user, add your products. So our admin is quite a nice area to be. So the first thing we're going to look at admin is our index page. Our index page will be login. Okay, so you cannot access admin page without logging in. So before we log in, I'll show you what our database looks like on the. Okay, so this is, we were in product before. So this is our admin login. We have this records. Okay, so username and password columns, fields. or fields. Okay, so now you can log in with any of these. You can see that that's my name, Obinna Wasike. That's my name. Okay, first of all, let's log in with Ruth and 111. Okay, so let's go back there. Go back to application. All right, so we're gonna test root and 111. Bingo. All right, so once you log in, you maintain a session. I'm going to show you that in a short while, but then let me also add one more, insert one more value. Okay, don't worry, inserting a value is just as simple as any kind of insertion, which we're going to see in a short while within the application. Okay, here, like I said, this is auto-generated, no need to add value there. And then we are going to, let's write that name the other way around. We have Obinna Wasike. So Obinna Wasike is actually the name I used to apply for this very job position. So this is gonna clear every doubt. Let me just remove this in case it is. All right. So okay, let's call this one 444. All right, and let's go it. Go. All right, edited. Let's browse and see what. All right, so Wasike Obinna 444. All right, so let's test it out on our application. Now we are here. If we log out, we can move back again. You can see that. So that is session maintenance. We can move back into the application. You can see it's still waiting, but it will never go back to the application. It will only come back to this very page. So it's a nice way of maintaining security as well. So let's put Wasike Obinna, and that was 4444. Okay, good enough. Okay, of course we can test for any other stuff. Okay, Chike and 2222. Obviously it can enter. All right, so you can have JavaScripts and PHP scripts that can pull out and tell us that there's a wrong pass keys and all that. Okay, so that's possible too. So we have seen that we have this in our database and we can log in with that. So looking at that very point, let's quickly analyze this index.php page that contains our admin login code contents. All right, so here you can see that's our connection attributes and our resources, and here we have our form. So look at our form. That's the form you're seeing here, and it's a post. Obviously, yeah, it's going to be a post posting to the server whatever content values you are going to fill up within this very form. Okay, so look at that carefully. Name and PW. So we are using just name values, okay, for our processing here, for our database processing. Look at that, MySQL, and select all from admin, where name is this very name, where this very column is equal to this very field is equal to this very. So note that username username here, password, and password. Okay, so that's it. So wherever whatever value you insert here equals, this will take place. What takes place? You maintain a session starts, and then what else starts again? You also move to this very page, okay, which is the page we're moving into. All right, so that's the page we're moving into from here, like Wasike Obinna and 4444. Bingo, that's the page. So this is our dashboard. That's our dashboard over here. All right, so when you're in the dashboard, I've added this add product key here. So this add product is what we use to add product to that product table. Remember the product table I showed you? So this is the product table. The product table, we only have one value, only one record, not value, sorry, one record, one row here. Okay, so we're going to add more content, more records there. Okay, so using this very add products. Okay, so this add products, and on our very code here we have add products here. So these are add products. So these are add products, and we're going to analyze this very code quickly.